Technology has brought us closer than ever over the past few decades. Our lives are supported by applications and software that allows us to collaborate while not even being in the same room, city, state, or even country. What used to take scheduling, meetups, conflicts, and understandable frustration while working with others can now be easily solved with today's technology. One astounding web-based application that allows us to do this effectively and with ease is Google Docs. Google Docs brings your documents to life with smart editing and styling tools to help you format text and paragraphs easily. Choose from hundreds of fonts, then add links, images, and drawings. If you are more focused on numbers and data dealing with formulas working within a spreadsheet, Google Sheets may be your best option. Need to make a presentation? Try Google Slides. Interested in creating a form to prepare your team for a future project? Google Forms. All of these are free of charge options that keeps the productivity within the team flowing. We're going to be focusing on Google Docs. These documents can be accessed anywhere with internet connection. Whether you're traveling or on the move, your documents can be accessed through your mobile device, tablet, or laptop. This means that you are not confined by the schedule of others, inability to physically meet, such as a business partner in another state. You can work as a team to cultivate and refine ideas within one application. You can do all of this while not having to worry about saving constantly or the loss of the team's hard work. Google Docs save as you go, allowing for peace of mind knowing that no one person is responsible for maintaining the team's data. And speaking of team, you can be productive as a team by editing documents all at once. This means that a team can edit and make changes all at the same time without any conflict. For example, let's say that a group is working on a research paper. Every member is responsible for proofing another member's assigned portion and refining their own. Every collaborator on the document has their own specific color within the application that appears in the document live as they are making edits. You never have to worry about throwing off someone else's work or having your work edited without any idea who made those changes. Google Docs keeps a history of the changes made within a document. This helps keep down confusion and frustration, allowing for the team to work with understanding and lessen the possibility of conflict. Let's create our own document. First, you will need to have a Google account prior to using any Google application, including Google Docs. Log in and access Google Docs, which can be done through a web search or starting at google.com. Then, using the Options tab to access Google Docs. Once open, you can start with any available template or a blank form. We're going to start with a blank form. As you can see, while we're typing, Google Docs is automatically saving every adjustment made to the document. And as you can see, we can also add comments to our document, which is associated with your Google account. So if anyone comes and leaves a comment, you can see who left the comment and the account associated with that particular comment. Usually this will be a collaborator within your document. And again, this is saved automatically. This is where you go to share and collaborate with others. You can also get a special link to send others who you would like to have access to the particular document. Here you have various options. As you can see, Google Docs is very reminiscent of Microsoft Word in many of its available options. So even a beginner of Microsoft Word should have ease navigating Google Docs. Again, Google Docs can be utilized as an effective tool for collaboration between a team. The live edit feature and even a chat option in the document can allow for clear communication. I hope you enjoyed my overview and tutorial of navigating the features of Google Docs. If you would like more information, head over to support.google.com/docs/community for more information and to interact with others that love using Google Docs. Thanks for watching.